Sarojini Naidu. Sarojini Naidu ne Sarojini Chattopadhyay was born in Hyderabad, India on February 13, 1879. She was freedom fighter, poet, first Indian woman to be appointed as the President of Indian National Congress and the Governor. She was also called the Nightingale of India. Her father was Agurnath Chattopadhyay, a scientist, Indian educationist and a social reformer. He was the first Indian to secure Doctor of Science degree. Her mother name was Barda Sundari Devi. Sarojini was the eldest daughter of Agurnath Chattopadhyay. She was the eldest of the 8 siblings. Her brother name Virendranath Chattopadhyay was revolutionary and her other brother Harindranath was a poet, a dramatist and an actor. Education of Sarojini Naidu. She was extremely intelligent and brilliant student. She was fluent in many languages such as Bengali, English, Urdu, Persian, Telugu. She started making poems at a very early age. She passed from Madras University when she was just 12. She went to study at King's College in London. Sarojini Naidu attended Girton College, Cambridge, which was the first residential college for women offering degree-level education. While in college, Sarojini met Dr. Muthayala Govindarajulu Naidu and married at the age of 19. At that time, in the year 1895, intercaste marriage was rare as well as taboo. The couple had 4 children, Jayasuriya, Padmaja, Randhir and Leelamani. Her daughter Padmaja joined the Indian independence movement. Later on, she became governor of West Bengal. In 1961, she published a collection of poems entitled The Feather of the Dawn, written by Sarojini Naidu. Political career of Sarojini Naidu. Sarojini Naidu joined Indian independence movement during Bengal partition movement in 1905. She was inspired by the leaders like Mahatma Gandhi, Gopal Krishna Gokhale, Rabindranath Tagore, Jawaharlal Nehru, Annie Besant. Due to insistence of Gopal Krishna Gokhale, she dedicated herself for the Indian independence movement. In 1916, she participated in Champaran Satyagraha. In 1917, she founded Women's India Association to liberate women from deplorable conditions which women suffered in socio-economic and political matters during the 19th and the early 20th century. She returned to London in May 1918 to speak to a committee that was working on reforming the Indian Constitution. She and Annie Besant advocated for women's vote. Naidu travelled to different regions in India delivering lectures on social welfare, emancipation of women and nationalism. In 1919, in response to the Rowlatt Act passed by the British, Gandhiji formed the non-cooperation movement. Sarojini Naidu participated in this movement. In 1921, when riots broke out against the visit of the Prince of Wales, Naidu visited the disturbed area and encouraged people to foster Hindu-Muslim unity. In 1919, she was appointed the ambassador to England of the Home Rule League. She travelled extensively across India, campaigning for women's rights and helped educate women over it. She became the first Indian woman to head the Indian National Congress in 1925. She travelled to Africa, Europe and North America representing the Congress movement. In January 1930, the National Congress proclaimed Indian independence. Sarojini Naidu was present on the Salt March to Dandi in March 1930. When Gandhiji was arrested, with other leaders, she led the Dharasana Satyagraha. In 1931, she attended the roundtable talks with Gandhiji in London. In 1942, she was arrested and remained in jail for 21 months. From 1947, when India achieved independence, till her death, she was governor of Uttar Pradesh, earlier was called as United Provinces. She was India's first woman governor. Her experience as a Hindu living in a part of India that primarily Muslim influenced her poetry and also helped her work with Gandhiji dealing with Hindu-Muslim conflicts. Sarojini Naidu's birthday, that is March 2nd, is honored as Women's Day in India. The Democracy Project awards an essay prize in her honor, and several women's studies centers are named after her. Literary career of Sarojini Naidu. She began writing fiction at the age of 12. Her father, after she aced her matriculation exam from Madras University, wanted her to be a mathematician, but Sarojini expressed her desire to be a poet. She wrote a poem that was 1300 lines long called The Lady of the Lake. Her Persian play Maher Munir was well received by the Nawab of Hyderabad. Nizam, who granted her a scholarship to study overseas. In 1905, her first collection of poems was published under the title The Golden Threshold. Later, her poems collection The Bird of the Time and The Broken Wings were published. She wrote articles about her political views and women's rights issues in India. In 1914, she was elected a Fellow of the Royal Society of Literature. Her poems are filled with emotional intensity, command over English. Sarojini Naidu is one of the most celebrated poets of India. This earned her title Nightingale of India.